Hi viewers, uh, we are in the continued process of the Catalina tutorial, and now we are in the sixth tutorial. Here we are planning to see the create Android application by using the Kotlin. So uh, Google, if you will try Android Studio, then you will get development kit for the Android, and it will pop up this page where you will get the download the Android Studio, which is version of 2.3.3, and this is not the supported SDK, Android SDK for our Kotlin. So for that you need to specifically looking for Android 3, and here in the get the Android Studio preview, and in that preview you will once you download the SDK, Android SDK, so that is on the third, then this is the supported version of the container, and once you download, though I have already downloaded, I'm skip this, and you need to download it for yours, and it will going to download as like this Android Studio, and once you unzip it, you will get the folder. Go inside the folder and click bin. Here you could see 64-bit application exe, and this is the 32-bit. According to your operating system, you can now click install. I installed this Studio 64. It is powered by IntelliJ IJ platform. Okay, so I'm going to so I have already installed, so it's bring me to this IDE directly. For your case, it is pop up couple of options where you want to store it, and you know once you click install it successfully, then it will open up this pop up for you. If I'll click a new project, let's name it. Okay, and here you need to click the include Kotlin support. If you won't click it, it will consider as a normal Java project. So explicitly we have to click the include Kotlin support, then click next, and here the Android versions. But I am going to choose the API 19, which is the 4.4 KitKat version. Click next, and the activity, I am choosing an empty activity, my activity, and the activity name. Click finish. So two windows got open, so I'm going to close one. It's the setting up on the Gradle build running. Close the tips bar. Here is our project. Okay. I'm creating once again a project. 19 empty. Click finish. It's building our my DRP Gradle project information. This is main activity DRP. Once the process is finished, we'll run this app to see the output. You could see these files are .kt. Here is another project what I had created. Meanwhile, until with that process, let me run this project. It's creating a virtual machine for us, which is a Nexus Google Nexus 5x API. The status you can see in the bottom. It's popping up with the Android emulator. It's so starting this Android emulator. So you could see this is our project, my application DRP what we had created, and this is the hello world. So this is just a beginning of the Android Studio application. In the coming videos, we will see how to write our KT these files along with the Kotlin files along with the Java code. Both can be written in the same IDE. Thank you for watching the video.